In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Grubhub Plus with Amazon Prime. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin the process, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the main Amazon website. Once the page loads, you will see the familiar search bar at the top of the screen. Using this search bar, type in the words Grubhub e-gift card. This action will prompt Amazon to display a list of products related to your search. After the search results appear, scroll through them until you locate the gift card that best suits your needs. When you have identified the appropriate Grubhub gift card, click on its listing to view more details. The product page will provide you with further options to customize your card, which is essential to ensure that it perfectly meets your needs or the preferences of your recipient. On the product page, you will first have the option to select an amount for the gift card. Depending on your requirements, you might be choosing a card for a specific occasion or simply as a convenient way to enjoy Grubhub's services. Carefully consider the value you wish to load onto the card and choose the appropriate amount from the available options. Once you have picked an amount, you will then be presented with a selection of design names. Each design offers a unique look for the e-gift card, so make your selection based on the style or theme that will best complement the occasion or the recipient's taste. This customization helps to give the gift a personal touch, making it more memorable. Following the design selection, the next step is to choose a delivery type. You will have the option to select how the gift card is sent to the recipient. For this guide, the delivery method involved is email delivery. This means that the digital version of the gift card will arrive directly in the recipient's email inbox. Ensure that you are comfortable with this method and that the recipient frequently checks their email. Now that you have chosen the delivery method, proceed by entering the recipient's email address in the designated field. Be sure to double check the spelling and accuracy of the email address to avoid any delivery errors. After entering the recipient's email, you will be required to enter your own name. This information is important because it identifies you as the sender, allowing the recipient to know who is behind the generous gift. The following step is to specify a delivery date. This crucial detail lets you schedule when the gift card should be sent, so it arrives at an appropriate time. Whether it is for a birthday, anniversary, or another special occasion, choosing the correct delivery date helps to ensure that your gift arrives as planned. With all the necessary information provided and all your selections carefully reviewed, the final step is to complete the transaction by clicking on the Buy Now button. Once you do this, the purchase is processed and the Grubhub e-gift card will be set for delivery on the scheduled date. This simple and straightforward process takes only a few minutes, ensuring that you can give the gift of convenient dining or delivery services with ease. Enjoy the simplicity and efficiency of ordering your Grubhub e-gift card through Amazon.